'Tis the season. We're here at GoToMath.com. No, this is not a Charlie Chaplin silent video. Silent film. Well, I wish I was doing 6.1, but we're doing 5.2 it looks like. Let's click on it. Damn, graph's way down there. Alright, find the area of the shaded region. Round answer to 3 decimal places. Let's write those two down. Let's get it written down. 2x squared minus 12. That's our f of x, and g of x is x minus 8. Alright, I got that written down. Got it? Alright, good. Let's move over to the whiteboard. As usual, I usually write our functions down up here. At least I have lately. 2x squared minus 12. Of course, you know I picked these kind of easy ones to kind of learn the concept first, then we move into much harder stuff later. Alright, aren't I nice? I'm such a nice guy. Okay, so we got something looks like this. We might as well go ahead and draw some kind of picture here. And we got something that's going to do something like that. Boy, it's not, I don't know about this picture. Oh, video is now finally running. I was talking and it wasn't even running. We need to find the points of intersection of these two guys here. Alright, that's what we need to do. Okay. I'm going back to the graph here. Did I show you the graph? I don't know. So we're going to go this minus this guy right here. And I think if we flip these guys, remember we can flip them. Right, this is my lower bound, this is my upper bound, the x coordinates, and we get a positive number. We'll see what happens there on that. Alright, let's go back to the whiteboard. Alright, so let's set up this integral. Actually, before we set up the integral, we're going to have to find the x values that are x coordinates that are associated with these 2 points, and that means we set both of those equal to each other. And you know what? Let's just do it right up here, so I know I have plenty of room. Tired of running out of room. So we set them equal to each other, solve for x, and what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take that x over, minus 12 minus plus 8. Right, because we got to take the 8 over also to this side. We can now rewrite this as, what the heck is this, 4, negative 4? Is that right? Negative 4, right? 2, 2, negative 4. Oh my God, forgetting everything. Okay, pull out the 2. Pull it out. And so we'll write a half x here. And if I pull C2 out of that, that just becomes 2, right? So that'd be 4 over 2, 4 over 2, just 2. Okay. Now we can get rid of this 2 by multiplying both sides by a half. Now what we're doing here is getting this up so we can complete the square. Rewrite the x, write this sign here, take a half of that, which means you're left with a fourth. Square it, always put a minus sign, square this number here, this becomes 1 over 16, and then rewrite minus 2, set it equal to 0. Let's get all that into one single fraction, and that ought to be pretty easy to do. Is that 33? I think it is. Yeah, 33 over 16. Where are we at? Can we continue this over here? Maybe we can continue this over here. So we have x minus 1/4 squared. I'm going to go ahead and take this over. This is it's be negative 33 over 16, but take it over here, it becomes positive 33 over 16. And now what we'll do is square root both sides. Now you can square root the 16, becomes a 4, okay? So square root of 33 over 4. Now remember, this is plus and minus. And then we take the fourth over, positive 1/4, and we're left with x. All right. So we're going to end up having x is equal to, let's look at the positive one first, and I'm going to write it like this. Over 4, so that would be the positive one, that would be this one here, and then x is equal to 1 minus square root of 33 over 4. Okay, that would be this guy right here. Alright, so now we can set up the integral. So let's go this minus this, see how this turns out. That would be x minus 8 minus, and then 2x squared minus 12. Now if we end up getting a negative number here, you just make it positive because we're looking at the area. Okay, area is always positive. Alright, so our lower limit is 1 minus the square root of 33 over 4, and then our upper is 1 plus the square root of 33 over 4. And remember, we're going to approximate this thing. Okay. Now, these are challenging problems. I want you to take, showed you how to set it up, and now I want you to take the integral and see if your answer matches mine down here. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and be live on television and work this one out. We got x minus 8 minus start of parentheses. Actually, we need to simplify that integrand down. That kind of helps out slightly. Maybe I'll do a little extra work here to help you out. Actually, I'm going to pause at the pause. Okay. I think what I'm going to do here for you is, let's scratch that out. Take the integral of 1 minus square root of 33 over 4, 1 plus the square root of 33 over 4. Now this can be rewritten as negative 2x squared. Right, we're distributing this negative across, so that makes that a positive 12. That's a positive x. And so we have 12 minus 8, which is a positive 4, right? 12 minus 8, yes. Alright, I think that's right. dx. Taking the integral, we got negative 2x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus 4x. And we're going from 1 minus the square root of 33 over 4 and 1 plus the square root of 33 over 4. Alright, so I'll let you go ahead, plug those numbers in, and okay, so I actually we paused at the pause, and I ended up getting 7.8987773. The reason I'm going out is because your numbers should be about the same. And so I want you to round to 3 decimal places, and so that's going to be 7.89, I guess 9, right? 7.899, I think. Okay. Let's see what we got here. 7.899, yeah, that's it. Alright, so come on by, practice that, some good practice. See you later.